all play an important role in protecting today's youth, making sure children brush their teeth, wear their helmets, and eat healthy meals. These are just some of the things we teach them at an early age that help prevent health risks. There are many factors that influence the choices youth make. Protective factors that discourage youth from engaging in risky behavior like substance misuse include things like positive social norms, perception of harm, and clear expectations for behavior. Risk factors such as perceived access to substances, the lack of perception of peer or parental disapproval, and trauma and/or abuse increase the likelihood of risky behaviors. While we know that most youth do not misuse substances, age of first use is an important risk factor in the development of substance use disorders. The younger a person is when they first begin misusing substances, the more likely they are to develop a substance use disorder in their lifetime. High schools in Strafford County participate in the Youth Risk Behavior Survey that provides data about the attitudes and behaviors of youth in our communities. This data is an important tool used by prevention professionals and their partners to develop strategies and programs within their community. Parents and guardians have the biggest influence on their children's behaviors. However, in the past 12 months, only 52% of students have talked with their parents or guardians about the dangers of alcohol, nicotine, and other drug use. This is why it is important that we all accept the shared responsibility we have for the youth in our lives. Local prevention happens in our homes, schools, and throughout our communities. The stronger connections that youth have with trusted adults, the more likely they are to make positive choices and avoid risky behaviors like substance misuse. Community-wide prevention efforts such as after-school programs, clubs and organizations, coalitions, student assistance programs, and more are necessary if we wish to protect our children from the harmful effects of alcohol, nicotine, and other drugs. Without the investment of funding and resources, local prevention infrastructure becomes less sustainable. The loss of these important assets creates gaps and makes it more difficult to engage youth in important prevention programs. Substance misuse can negatively affect a young person's physical and mental health, their school performance, and their ability to thrive in the future.
We already have so much prevention work that's happening in our community. We have education programs in our schools, and we have our Drug Take-Back Day that happens twice a year. There are also community coalitions and youth empowerment groups that are doing so much of this important work as well. You can play a role in preventing the negative outcomes in your community by providing support, investing funds, and sustaining the infrastructure that supports local substance misuse prevention. Visit Strafford County Public Health Network's website and social media pages to learn more about how you can get involved.